a dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, hard work, and determination. I am blessed and privileged to share my speech and to be with you today as we celebrate our moving up ceremony. To our beloved teachers, moms and sirs, visitors, parents, family, friends, and fellow completers, good morning everyone. No words can express how happy and grateful I am today. I am really blessed to finally receive an award this worth of all the efforts and sacrifices. Yes, we did it. We accomplished one of the major milestones of our lives, completing our junior high school. And we all did this by taking the little steps in the journey of our lives, the little steps with significance and pride. I know that we all worked hard and did our very best to get to this day. Even the fights against the COVID-19 pandemic, which made everyone suffer from adverse effects and impact, especially to all of us, students. Our 2-year journey in a remote learning modality was quite exhausting, right? But we are here now, loud and proud, with the biggest smile on our faces. Our hard work and sacrifices have paid off. All the sleepless nights in preparation for the mind-blowing summative tests and the stressful days in doing our school projects cannot outmatch the joy that we are feeling today. Though we can all testify that it was not easy, we experienced a lot of difficulties to the point that sometimes we want to give up. But no matter how terrible each struggle was, we were still able to find reasons to keep going. And now we survive, and we should be proud of ourselves. However, we would not be able to survive the challenges and struggles all on our own. We all have some sort of backup. And our strongest backup are the people who truly believed in us. And I won't miss this opportunity to thank and express my appreciation to them, for I won't be able to be right here in front of you without the help of my loved ones. First, I want to thank God, for He always lifted me up when I felt like giving up. My prayers for the event of today have been answered, and I want to offer my heartfelt thanks to Him. To my very kind, hardworking, and supportive mother, Mama Cora Quizan, thank you so much, Ma. You have always been my inspiration in my every win and my huge motivation in every step that I take. To my best friend and my enemy at the same time, my one and only sister of mine, Carla Quizan. Just like Mama, you have always been my strength when I feel weak. And to my Lola Felisa, who have taken good care of me since I was a baby, and who never failed to remind me that I must set my goals high and to never stop till I get there. Thank you so much, La. Your pieces of advice and genuine love for me will always be treasured forever. To my strict and kind Nanay Priscilla, and Tatay Carlo, who always motivate me to move forward and hit the mark, thank you so much, Nay and Tay. To my Tito Geronimo, thank you so much too for the very unforgettable pieces of advice. Also to my very kind and protective cousins, Kuya Nelson, Kuya Brian, and Kuya Gino, I'm so blessed that I have the three of you in my life. Thank you so much, Kuyas. To my Ate Cheryl Rositasi Leones, thank you very much there for all your advices. friends, Nestor and Ate Rachel, you both motivate me to do better. Thank you so much, guys. And to all of my family and relatives, my Quizon and Rusitasi family, aunties, uncles, titos and titas, thank you so much. I hope I made you all proud now. And also to Ma'am Hyra Helizon and Ma'am Ishani Polinayo, thank you so much, moms, for your sincere help. And to our very kind advisor, Sir Daniel De Piazza, thank you so much, sir, for giving us a piece of motivation to continue reaching our dreams. And especially to Ma'am Mary Faye Espinosa, thank you so much, ma'am, for your help and for always telling me that I can. And to all the teachers in Binas, we will always be very grateful to all of you. We can't be here right now without your help, moms and sirs. Our big thank you to all of you. And to my grade 10 Akasha classmates, you're too many to mention. Thank you so much, guys, for the help and cooperation. You have been so amazing classmates right from the beginning. I hope that you will always keep our friendship beyond this level. I will miss the presents that you place on the school walls, or unforgettable memories in school even in the short period of time. Those memories will remain fresh in my heart forever. Thank you very much, guys. I wish you all the best in life. And to all the parents of my fellow completers, thank you for the unconditional love that you have given us, the countless and immeasurable sacrifices that you have done for us to grow and succeed. For those who always believed that we can, now we did. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. We owe you all a lot. And before I end my speech, I would like to share these words to my fellow completers. Guys, a certificate of completion is a wonderful tool in this world. One that opens many doors of opportunity for anyone who worked hard to have one. I know some of you here might look up to me for being the top one among all the graded with honors and for having an honor to stand and talk in this massive crowd. But I actually initiated this. I believe I could, so I did, and I know you could as well. This doesn't mean that I will always be ahead of you. Don't ever let yourself get discouraged with thoughts of low self-worth. Just believe in yourself and always put in your mind that you can. But guys, believing in ourselves is not enough for us to succeed. We must also work for it and act on it. And never forget that there is always a silver lining in every shortcoming. We all did a great job. Congratulations to all of us. Thank you so much po for this opportunity. This is Daisy Quizon, a proud junior high school completer of Biliran National